Hi students, if you're preparing for JEE or NEET, this message is for you. Take a deep breath for a second. JEE and NEET. Just hearing these names increases your heartbeat, right? Every year, hundreds of thousands of students compete. Only a few thousand make it. They say it's about intelligence. But the truth? It's about strategy, consistency, and clarity. You're not just preparing for an exam, you're fighting for IIT, for AIMS, for your dream college, for your future. But here's the real problem. Coaching classes move fast, doubts pile up, concepts remain half clear, and one weak chapter can cost you rank. That's why Simple Lecture built a dedicated program for JEE and NET aspirants. You also get topic-wise practice questions, advanced level problem solving, full-length mock tests, deep concept clarity, physics that actually makes sense, chemistry simplified, mathematics broken down step by step, biology explained visually, not just memorized.
And the game changer? Your personal avatar AI teacher.
Instant explanations, unlimited doubts, anytime. JEE and NEET are tough. But with the right system, so are you. With a heartfelt vision to make high-quality education accessible to every student, Dr. Nagpal sir has made all of this available for just 1,000 rupees. Because he truly believes that education should empower everyone, not be limited by affordability. So what are you waiting for? Visit simplelecture.com today and compete strong, secure your rank,